How's it going, everybody? In today's tutorial we're going to be going over how to generate a packing slip and shipping label. Now these are going to be used to identify what exactly is in your boxes. If you have more than one box, it will show you what should be in each of those, and then you can generate one or a few shipping labels to get the boxes picked up by FedEx or UPS or whichever carrier you're using. So first we're going to move over to sales, select sales orders. Then we're going to pick whichever sales order it is that we're going to be working with, which I'm going to pick this top one here in this case. Now, we have two things allocated already. They already have a price set, and the order has already been approved. So this is now completely set and ready to hop over to the shipping side of the world. So we're going to hop over to shipping, and we're going to scroll down. Now, these are two big computers that we're shipping here, so I'm going to use more than one package, so then we'll have two packing lists and two shipping labels. So I'm going to select more than one package here, and then I'm going to put in the dimensions for both of these boxes. So let's just make them both 10 by 10 by 10 with a weight of 25. Then we're going to have to select the packages and put items in each of them. So I'm going to remove the one item from this package and put the item in this package. So now there's one computer in each box. I'm going to hit confirm, and since I have all of the dimensions and weight in, they all look good, and I'm going to hit save. Now that I've saved it, I'm going to have the opportunity to either download or print a packing list. So if you download it, you can then email it to somebody if a customer prefers it that way. So clicking this, it will open up a new tab, start the download, and then it will save to your computer in a PDF format, which when we click that can be viewed simply like this, and you'll see that it's a Dell Optiplex GX620, and there's a quantity of one of them. So moving back over to our sales order, we can also then print one. So we can print this one here, which would then be sent to whichever packing list printer we have set at the top. So it has now been sent. So notice that there is a packing list printer, and there is also a label printer. So generally your packing list would go to a standard 8.5 by 11 paper printer, where your label printer would be a 4 by 6 image printer that would print the stickers that go on the boxes. So now that we actually have those set, we have them in both of the boxes, they're all sealed up, we're going to move over and hit approve shipping. Then we're going to say yes for this case, which is setting the cost to 0 because we're giving free shipping. Then we're going to select ship. Now, I am in a virtual environment, so it's not going to actually let me do this, but normally you would say schedule shipping, would you like to continue? Yes. And then these identical buttons here of the download and print would appear underneath of the shipping labels. Because this is a virtual environment, I can't actually purchase a FedEx label to print for you here, but it would be exactly the same, where you would either download it and it would open in a PDF format, which can then be shipped, or you can print it and it would come out of your label printer that's designated at the top.